Welcome to the Jupiter's eCourt Case Information System, a unified digital platform designed to provide seamless access to case information, court orders, and judgments from a single intelligent dashboard. Once you log into the portal using secure credentials, you are directed to a fully interactive dashboard that offers a comprehensive view of case-related information. In the dashboard, you can see several filters out here. For example, if you click on the source, you can see orders. If you click on orders, you can see source PDFs as well, and you even have details like state, district, and case numbers, which is 100% customizable. All the dashboards can be customized according to the requirements of the client, and if you click on judgments, you can see past judgments as well. If you click on view source PDF, you can see the past judgment. Other than this, there is another feature incorporated within the platform where you can search by keywords. So if you have entered Vadilal, you can see all the cases related to Vadilal. If you click on orders, you can see the orders. After that, if you click on judgments, the past judgments related to the Vadilal case, you can view on the source PDF and can see that too. You can clear the keywords and can reset the filters. On the court type, you can see the Honorable Supreme Court, High Courts, arbitrators, and case types. We have several types of cases. So this is how it works. You can see all the past judgments that have been passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, the orders as well, and the case information. Thank you so much.